Have you ever wished your car had eyes in every direction? Introducing the XUOIB I9Pro-WB 4CH 360° dash cam, an advanced smart driving recorder designed to capture every angle of your journey in stunning 4K resolution. With 4 cameras, AI-enhanced night vision, Wi-Fi connectivity, GPS tracking, and 24-hour parking protection, this dash cam gives you complete confidence every time you get behind the wheel. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at the XUOIB I9Pro-WB 4-channel dash camera and discovering why it's one of the most complete vehicle security systems available. True 4-channel 360° recording. Why settle for one camera when you can monitor your entire vehicle? The 4-channel camera system records the front, rear, left, and right sides simultaneously, providing full 360° coverage. Every angle is protected, helping capture important evidence during accidents, parking incidents, or unexpected events. Crystal clear 4K Ultra HD recording. Capture every journey with incredible detail. The 4K Ultra HD camera records sharp, high-resolution video, making it easier to identify license plates, road signs, pedestrians, and surrounding vehicles in both daytime and nighttime driving. Large 4-inch touchscreen display. Managing your recordings has never been easier. The built-in 4-inch touchscreen offers an intuitive interface that lets you preview footage, adjust settings, and review recordings directly from the device with just a few taps. Powerful 8IR night vision. Driving doesn't stop after sunset. Equipped with 8 infrared night vision LEDs, the i9Pro-WB delivers clear recordings even in low-light environments such as dark roads, underground parking garages, or nighttime city driving. 24-hour parking surveillance. Your vehicle remains protected even when you're away. The intelligent 24-hour parking mode continuously monitors your car and automatically records suspicious movement or impacts, providing extra security while your vehicle is parked. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. Stay connected wherever you go. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can quickly transfer videos to your smartphone and manage recordings through the companion app. The integrated GPS module records your driving route, speed, and location, adding valuable information to every video. Reliable protection every day. Whether you're commuting, traveling, ride-sharing, or simply parking overnight, this dash camera helps provide peace of mind by recording everything happening around your vehicle. Key features: 4K Ultra HD video recording, 4-channel 360° camera system, 4-inch touchscreen display. Built-in Wi-Fi connectivity. Integrated GPS tracking, 24-hour parking mode, 8 infrared night vision LEDs. Wide-angle coverage. Loop recording. G-sensor collision detection. Automatic emergency recording. Easy smartphone connectivity. Real-time playback. Compact modern design. Reliable vehicle security. Perfect for daily commuters, family vehicles, ride-share drivers, taxi services, road trips, commercial fleets, parking surveillance, accident recording, vehicle security, insurance evidence, highway driving, city driving. Every drive tells a story. With the XUOIB I9Pro-WB 4CH 360° dash cam, you'll never miss an important moment, whether you're cruising down the highway or your car is parked outside your home. Because the best protection isn't just driving safely, it's recording everything that happens along the way. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews of smart car accessories, dash cameras, automotive technology, and the latest driving innovations.